tèmi ẹ káàárọ̀ ẹ káàsán ẹ káalẹ́ according to the time báwo ni weekend yín àná ṣó sẹ́lẹ̀ ń kẹjọ ṣó sẹ́gẹlẹ́ mẹ́ǹgẹ̀ àtúnkù ní Monday ọjọ́ ajé àfilé wa ṣe bùgbé o mo rí fídíò youth corper kan NYSC lady tó pariwo síta wípé owó ò tó ná mọ́ mo tún wá rí fídíò tí wọ́n fi ń threaten ẹ̀ máa play méjèèjì bẹ̀t kí n tó play méjèèjì fídíò yẹn fún yín ǹjẹ́ a ti béèrè pé kí ló fa rúùtù ebi yìí kí ló dé tí owó tí wọ́n fún aláwí tí wọ́n fún youth corper NYSC kí ló dé tí kò tó ná mọ́ Àtíkù náà sọ̀rọ̀ lórí ẹ̀ ṣágo ń búgò Nigeria is a joke Tinubu wà lórí oyè ìlú le kókókókókókó ẹ̀mí àwọn èèyàn ti fẹ́ bọ́ sọnù àwọn èèyàn lọ ń bẹ́ sódò ẹlòmíì mú kíní ó mú sniper para wọn ìdẹ̀yìn yẹn Obi òun ṣe gbálagbàlá Obi tẹ́lẹ̀rẹ́ ń tẹ Peter Obi you are just doing palapalas if you know people that understand English very well they should just translate it for you the meaning of palapala you are doing radarada olùlọ́bà àwọn àlìmọ́njìrì sínú the same tactics tẹ́tí lò látọdún gbọ́n han ní normal láyé a máa lọ jẹ ẹ̀wọ̀n àgbàdo ní títì gbogbo yẹn máa lọ bá wọn mú fúra Ṣèyí Tinubu la mú wá lánàá tó ń lọ káàkiri ní nọ́ọ̀tì wọ́n tẹ̀tí ní kí ẹ̀ má wá sí nọ́ọ̀tì mọ́ wọ́n máa lọ fà á lẹ́pọ̀n yọ how long lè máa continue rádàràdà tẹ̀ ń ṣe Àtíkù náà condemn Tinubu what do they call kettle black àwọn yeyelicious leaders you guys are yeyelicious leaders wẹ́ kí n tó wá sọ́dọ̀ tí iná lady mi NYSC wá wo rúùtù nǹkan tó ń ṣẹlẹ̀ yìí ayé àtijọ́ là ń gbàdúrà ogun ìdílé ogun ilé ọkọ ogun ilé ìyàwó ogun gbá ogun ṣọ́rọ́ ogun ìdílé lọ́wọ́ yìí ogun tó ń ja Nàìjíríà especially ilẹ̀ Yorùbá tí ogun ìdílé gan bá rí ogun ìdílé á gbé eré bá máa sálọ kò ní wẹ̀yìn ogun máa ń jogun lọ èyí tẹ́ ń complain ipò owó ò tó ra nǹkan mọ́ ṣe ti bẹ̀ pé kí ni rúùtù ẹ̀ kí ni gbòǹgbò owó tí ò tó ra nǹkan I think by now ní ilẹ̀ Yorùbá we are joking with starvation ìyàn gidi o la fi ń ṣeré nílẹ̀ Yorùbá eléyìí tí kò lè bí o ebi ló wà nílẹ̀ lọ́wọ́lọ́wọ́ yìí bí yàn ò ṣe wá ní dé ìwọ tó bílí pé ọlọ́ṣà yẹ kí n rówó rà tí má ti rówó rà èmi á máa ṣe tèmi ní fún ara mi kíní kan my dear tó bá tó stage kan àwọn tí wọn bá rí owó rà wọn á wọlé wá bẹ́ẹ̀ tẹ rówó rà security yín ò ní kan tó máa wà ńlẹ̀ tẹ bá fi security márùn sẹ́nu ọ̀nà téèyàn bíi 2000 yàbọ̀ lọ́wọ́ ebi security yẹn á gbé eré kò ní dúró àmà sá lọ ni á dá yín dá wàhálà yín by then bí last food tó kù lé bóyá báàgì ráìsì kan báàgì ẹ̀wà kan báàgì wọ́n máa rú lọ bóyá ẹ máa wá owó tẹ́ ẹ jí pamọ́ yẹn bóyá ẹ máa wá kó owó yẹn ẹ máa wá kó kalẹ̀ ẹ máa jẹ́ ni mi ò mọ̀. Now let's see what is happening nílẹ̀ Yorùbá kí n tó wá play video kọ́pà yẹn fún yín ẹ ká kọ́kọ́ bẹ̀rẹ̀ nípa root kí ni gbòǹgbòǹ tó ń ṣẹlẹ̀ watch this.
mo fẹ́ lọ mọ́ọ̀sì náà pè mí ẹ ti rí báyìí today is 6 this is gbèsè arárọ̀ mi ẹ ti rí àwọn Fúlàní wọn ti fi nọ́ọ̀sì gbogbo kó wa arákàtà àwọn lápá tì òun this is Abdulsalam today is 6 gbogbo kó wa
today is 6th of March 2025
òun ni gbogbo wa wọn ti fi nọ́ọ̀sì o ẹ ti rí o Abdulsalam ló ń sọ̀rọ̀ gbogbo wa wọn ti fi nọ́ọ̀sì o ẹ ti rí òkú tí mo tún dùn mo ti gẹ́ẹ̀tì owó kékeré kan ẹ wò òkú náà ti fi nọ́ọ̀sì o lánàá àwẹ̀ tí mo wà wọ́n ti fi náà sílé yẹn àti pápá ọ̀gẹ̀dẹ̀ ti jóná o ẹ̀ṣá ti ẹ̀wọ̀ àwọn ọ̀gẹ̀dẹ̀ wájú wọ́n wá ju etí wà àbúrò mi ọmọ mi lọ́wọ́ dìbò ní odò kò ṣe pamọ́ today 6 o gámi ẹ ti rí níta sọ ni o kọ́lọ́n kó ṣàánú wa o lábá aláyé o jọ ẹ̀wọ̀ today 6 o ẹ ti rí wẹ́yẹ lọ o.
ta ni kọ́ bá yín pè. Ah, okay.
lẹ́yìn ìgbà tó jẹ́ tán kò fi náà sí ẹ ti rí o ọ̀gá ẹ ti rí o kó n ṣáìdì bẹ̀ má yẹ kí
Jẹ́ náà mú ọmọ yóò ní dààmú o.
kó n ṣáìdì bẹ̀ ọ̀gẹ̀dẹ̀ yẹn lẹ̀ jẹ́ kó wó pílẹ̀ tó ṣe àṣe gbogbo ẹ̀ náà ẹ wò ẹ ti rí ọ̀gá ẹ ti rí ẹ wò wọ́n ti fi náà sóko mọ́ọ̀sì mo ní kó fẹ́ lọ o mọ́ọ̀sì náà ti pè mí o ọ̀nà pé tó dé báyìí sì tó ti jóná gbogbo ọ̀gẹ̀dẹ̀ tó ti jóná ẹ wò wọn ọ̀gẹ̀dẹ̀ tó kú lélẹ̀ ẹ ti rí wọ́n ti fi náà sí o àsáré wa pa ni o ẹ ti rí.
Why of me like fanya dura? Omi like fanya dura tane ya paki jinne. Wallahi fanya dura. Fanya ande dare ki.
Kai. Ẹ wo pákí yẹn bó ṣe yọ bó ṣe tóbi. Chai.
Fanya wala pende. Okay.
Ikaring ala din nora. Dara ini pun terjadi. Fanya angka.
Wọlé àbáyọ ò lè yọ pákí tó ga tó yẹn. Èyí ń jà sí yọ fún rẹ̀.
I genuinely feel so overwhelmed, and I feel like if a lot of Nigerians come out and start speaking on what we are actually going through, then maybe changes will be made in the government. Don't you guys think? And this video, I just want to say to our president, I don't know if there have been any other president that is terrible, but you are such a terrible president. It is so hard. So I'm coming from the supermarket where I went to get foodstuffs, and everything has gone up again. It's just like every single week prices increase. I want to know, what is the government doing about this increment? Is there going to be a particular time where prices will stop going up? Is there going to be a particular time where things are going to go back? Guys, why am I going to get a crate of egg and they're telling me it is 6.5? It doesn't make any sense that egg will cost 6.5. Like, I literally can't remember when egg used to cost 800. And I'm so overwhelmed because this is literally my first time doing this adulthood thing alone. This is my first time moving out of my family house. This is my first time living by myself. And not just that, after I left the supermarket and I got home, my security is bringing NEPA bill, and NEPA bill has gone up by 2 times. Like, it's insane. I can't keep up with these bills. I am so overwhelmed and I'm so exhausted. Every single money that I have been making, I'm using it to pay bills. I don't even get to live properly. The craziest thing was, you want to go out to a certain location with your friends, and Uber is about 25,000. Like, even Uber, that we can't even take Uber. It is crazy. Like, why are things so expensive? And let's not even Lagos stinks. Lagos smells like shit. If you say, okay, I want to take a walk, I'm depressed, let me just take a walk, you can't even take a walk. Like, the place smells like crazy. Why does an entire state smell like this? And what is the government doing about the bad smell? Everything is just so overwhelming. You want to start up a business, and now you have to take a loan to start up a business, and the loan, you don't even know if you can actually repay it.
I will show you what the government is doing about
I don't know. I'm just so tired. Like, why is no one saying anything about it? Being an NYSC copper, there's nothing beneficial about this whole NYSC thing. The money I spend on transportation is just more than the alawi the government gives me. Like, it doesn't. I can't keep up. Like, I'm so tired of this bill, and I can't keep up. I am overwhelmed, and I'm tired. I'm exhausted. It's too much, and I wish that we would start calling the government out heads on. For example, Tinubu, you are a terrible president. Like, what are you doing to help us? What are you doing to help the economy? You are so terrible. I'm so sick and tired of Nigerians acting like we are strong, and they say, oh, Nigerians, we are actually very strong. Oh, no matter how much they increase things, we still chest it. No, it is not cute. We are cowards. That is a cowardly behavior. You don't stand to ask people, oh, why is this expensive? For example, MTN, what the fuck is even going on? Literally, I spent over like 20,000 on data in a week, and I'm not even joking. 1.5 data cannot even last me for an entire day. I have to do 1.5 like 2 times a day, which is like 3,000 a day. It is too much. Like, what are you guys doing about it? Like, what is happening? I'm tired of paying bills. I feel like I don't have anything. I feel like I don't have any achievement to call my own. Every single time that I work hard, I'm spending it back in the economy to pay bills, and I wasn't created to pay bills. I'm just really tired, and I just want our money to count for something. And when is the government going to actually start working? Because Nigerians are so classist. Everybody now wants to behave as if they are rich. Everybody is faking wealth, but we are ending up being poor because we are struggling so hard to look rich. We are ending up being poor. So I need us as Nigerians to please start calling the government out. We should be tired of this by now. We need to call the government out. Prices need to start one place. Food needs to start one place. The economy needs to start one place. Like, we are tired. It's just too much. The more you work hard to achieve something, the higher it gets. The dream car that I was saving money for has literally gone double. I can't even afford it anymore. Instead, I'm going to use my money to buy to just keep paying bills. And now house rent is double. Like, I am so sick.
About the Nigerian
and I'm so
government
tired of this, and I really need the government to intervene because I am so overwhelmed.
So 30 minutes ago, I just received a call from the NYSC board, starting with the secretariat before the LGI, and for the secretariat, for the NYSC secretariat, I'm going to attach what she said, some of the things she said, so you guys will hear.
Are you normal?
I wasn't insulting the president, ma. I was only asking for accountability.
Yes, hold down that rubbish you put there.
Ma, are you threatening me?
Hold down that rubbish. You are not talking to your mate.
Ma, she called me and she was shouting and she was threatening me to take down the video. And I'm in my first mind, I'm like, wait, how did they get my phone number? And then I realized that every NYSC copper has to fill a file with your phone number and your address. I'm like, these people actually have my house address and they know where I'm staying. And now they have started calling me first to threaten me. It is so bad that you can't even just speak up about the government because they feel like they have chains to hold you. You're already calling me to threaten me, and this is, I will literally attach what she said so you guys can hear. She was telling me that I was insulting the president. I never insulted the president. I said he's terrible. That is not an insult. It is a statement, and I did not go on and start saying, oh, Tinubu, you're this, you're that. I just said he's a terrible president, and it's okay for a government, for a body to identify that, okay, this person is actually terrible at their job. So if we decide that we want to start calling Nigerian government out, don't you guys know that a lot of changes will actually be made in the environment or in the society or in our economy as well? Let me tell you guys something. There's nothing Nigerian government hates more than when external bodies start tapping into our economy. They hate it so much, and I don't know why. Is it because maybe external bodies actually give us funds or something? Maybe that's why they hate it. Now I want you guys to think back to every time that Nigerians actually spoke up. Is there a time that we spoke up and a change was not made? Like, is there a time? If we decide that we want to run a 30 days challenge where we're going to complain about the economy, we'll keep complaining about the economy. Do you guys not know that people will start looking into it like, oh, what's going on in Nigeria? Why are people complaining so much? And they will start making changes. Now, let me tell you guys something, Ba. You see, we as the Nigerian youth, we don't come close to our parents. This generation we are always blaming. It is because of this generation that we had a stable income. It is because of this generation that biscuit was 15 naira from my primary school until my university. It's because of this generation. They are the ones that fought for that stable government that we enjoyed. They were the youth in their time, and when they had bad government, they stood up to it and they fought for it. Now that it's our turn, people are commenting in the caption and saying, in the comments and saying, oh, they are going to pick you up. Oh, you think you're a very dark man. I don't think I'm anyone. I just think I'm a Nigerian who is suffering and I'm tired of it. And I need someone to actually come out and say, okay, it's enough. Prices will stay one place. That's what I need. I'm sick and tired of this. Are you guys not tired? Number one.
Before I continue, ẹ̀yin tèmi, ẹ lọ bá mi download tap send. Ẹ lo promo code mi Abiola TTS. App tàbí send owó káàkiri ni. Láti ẹni ìlú tó bá wà lọ sí Nàìjíríà. Ẹ má gbàgbé lákọ̀ọ́kọ́, the first time that kọ́kọ́ fẹ́ lò, ẹ rántí lo Abiola TTS. Now, kí n tó bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ni máa show nǹkan ní, what would the government do about it? What are they doing? And won't they do anything about it to assist us or to help? I will show you what PDP, APC, LUP, SPP, whatever PPP tí wọ́n ń ṣe láti fi help situation Nigeria. I will show that in this video. But first, àwọn videos tí mo show fún yín, ṣé ìyẹn gangan kò tó láti bring starvation sílùú? The farmers cannot go to the farm any longer. After the Fulani Esme will invaded your farm, tó bá bọ́ta, ṣó bí orí àdá yẹn, pẹ̀lú cassava yẹn, you see how sharp that cutlass is. Ẹ bó ṣe ń bẹ́ cassava yẹn, pú. Wọ́n lọ sí oko ẹnìkan. Wọ́n lọ ń wú cassava ẹ̀gẹ́ nílẹ̀ẹ́lẹ̀. Ẹ wo ẹ̀gẹ́ yẹn bó ṣe jọ bọ̀kànà. Gàrí mélòó ni ẹ̀gẹ́ yẹn lè ṣe? Fùfú mélòó ni ẹ̀gẹ́ yẹn lè ṣe? Question tí lady yẹn béèrè wípé, will this continue? Ṣé cost of living tó máa continue ní Nigeria? Èsì ẹni mò ń fún ẹ yẹn o, my sister. Cost of living will not stop in Nigeria. Oúnjẹ a máa hán lọ sí ni, a máa wọ́n, oúnjẹ máa wọ́n lọ sí dáadáa ni. Èló ṣe ní bag rice, ó ṣe di 80,000, àbí ẹnu náà pé bag rice ní sí 80 or 90,000. Yes. We have fertile lands, arable lands where farmers can work. And we are not lazy in Nigeria. We aren't lazy in Nigeria. We are hard-working people, both men and women. People are ready to farm. Kóúnjẹ surplus. But all this number one citizen of Nigeria, wọn ò fẹ́ kẹ́ jẹun. Wọ́n prefer kí màlúù jẹun ju kí èèyàn jẹun lọ Nigeria. When times come, owó ò ní lè ra oúnjẹ. Owó will be useless in Nigeria. And ìwọ tó dẹ̀ wò pé kì í ṣáà ti rówó rà, tí àwọn tí ebi ń pa tó bá yabo lé ẹ, wàá mọ scores. People are mute. They are quiet now. Time is coming when everybody will speak up. And forcefully, you will force yourself to speak up. Nobody will come and force you to speak up. When this man, Sunday Igboho, came out and said, kí Fúlàní má kẹran jẹ oko mọ́, Yorùbá nation kọ́ ló fi bẹ̀rẹ̀. Yorùbá nation kọ́ ló fi bẹ̀rẹ̀. Injustice ló ti olóyè Sunday Igboho wọnú Yorùbá nation. Because when he was agitating, but also nígbà yẹn pé Yorùbá Fúlàní kẹran jẹ oko, wọ́n pa àwọn èèyàn. Then he expected ìjọba Buhari to do something about it. Buhari keep mute. He was muted. Ó kọ̀ láti sọ̀rọ̀ nípa ẹ̀. Olómú Sunday Igboho sọ wípé tí ẹ bá lè fún wa ní justice lórí àwọn tó ń kẹ́ran jẹ oko wa yìí, ẹ jẹ́ ká dá dúró. When Sunday Igboho was shouting, my sister, the same way tó gbogbo wa la máa jẹ breakfast time tó ní kálukú máa jẹ láàmú. Now everybody go chop breakfast. Last, you don't cast. Now everybody go chop breakfast. Ṣáyó, everybody ló máa jẹ breakfast. Ìgbà tó ní kálukú máa jẹ nìkan láàmú. When Sunday Igboho was shouting then, àwọn tó gbóyìnbó tó kàwé wọ́n ní illiterate ni. Nísìn tẹ́lẹ̀ ni wọ́n ń kó ẹran jẹ oko nìkan. Nísìn tó máa kó ẹran jẹ oko tán wú àwọn oúnjẹ yìí fún ẹran tán, wọ́n wá dá iná sí oko yẹn. wọ́n á sun ilẹ̀ yẹn tẹ́ bá tiẹ̀ máa gbìn nǹkan sí kò ń ṣàsìkò yẹn lẹ máa gbìn nǹkan ẹ wá rántí pé oko etílé wà máa yẹn ló fẹ́ lọ kírun ni torí ẹ̀yin religious bigot ó fẹ́ lọ kírun ìgbà tó wọ́n dé oko ẹ̀ tó kẹ́ màálù jẹ́ oko tán wọn ò béèrè ṣe kó sọ pé wọ́n àánú àwẹ̀ on the 6th of March 2025 yìí ló ṣẹlẹ̀ wọn ò béèrè pé ṣé oko mùsùlùmí nìyí lẹ́yìn tí wọ́n kó ẹran jẹ oko wọ́n tún wá sọ iná sí ẹ wo gẹ̀gẹ̀rẹ̀ yẹn mọ́ye ga tó ẹ wá wo ilẹ̀ yẹn ilẹ̀ yẹn máa tó many plot of land àbí acres of land ẹ bí ó ti dáná sun everything ẹ wá ń pariwo pé oúnjẹ wọn ṣóúnjẹ wá ti wọ́n oúnjẹ ò tí ì wọ́n oúnjẹ ò yí wọ́n kò kí ń ṣèpè tó pẹ́ ò sí Nàìjíríà tó ṣe ń sọ bẹ́ẹ̀ I can feel the heat even tí mo sí Nàìjíríà ó ń ba èmi fún ara mi níbi tí mo wà yìí because a máa lọ́lé ṣáà ní jẹun ni àwọn tó wà nílé online báyìí inú inbox ẹ ò tẹ̀ nílé ṣí nígbà míì and these wicked leaders because lady yìí pé ní terrible leaders ṣe Tinubu you are terrible obìnrin tó sọ̀rọ̀ yẹn tó pé láti NYSC yẹn please get us our picture let us post our picture people should make her popular they should share her pictures let the world know who she is ṣáwọn tó ń búyàn ní literate nìyẹn kí láǹfààní ìwé tẹ ẹ̀ka tí ò wúlò you should go and bring it down you want to shut everybody up everybody will be quiet àbí akàwé má ríṣẹ́ tí mọ nọ́mbà ọkọ̀ sí Nàìjíríà ò lè dáa kò kí n ṣe èpè until everybody stand up and speak up and go to comment section wàá rà àwọn wèrè tó tún jẹ́ youth wọ́n máa comment then go pick you up o come back home o Sunday Igboho fẹnu wú gate o ibi máa fọ́ ojú yín o ògún gbọ́ I don't want to stress myself so much on gbogbo wèrè tẹ̀ ń ṣe ó dà pé it yẹn ti ń ba everybody báyìí back to back ni ó máa ba everybody if you think you are not a farmer today Sunday Igboho is not talking about you. If you think you are not in Yoruba nation, Yoruba is not speaking on your behalf. When the thing hits you, you go ya yo. Wàá pariwo síta. NYSC lẹ́yìn sìn. Kò mọ̀ pé máa bà wọ́n báyìí. Create ẹyin 6,000 àbẹ́rẹ́ ló pé 6,000 naira. Bóyá àwọn ẹ̀dìyẹ ti ń fi operation bí wọ́n ti ń fi yí ẹyin. Wọ́n ti ń ṣe kí ni wọ́n máa ń ṣe? CS fáwọn ẹ̀dìyẹ láti yí ẹyin. Insecurity máa jẹ́ kẹ́yìn wọn. Mọ́tò tó yẹ máa lọ sí oko tó máa lọ ra ẹyin tó wà rìn káàkiri lọ sí gbogbo oko lọ ra ẹyin. Everybody máa fẹ́ kóun wà nílé òun kán gbé ẹyin yẹn wá báwọn ni. Mọ́tò tó máa wá gbé ẹyin wá bẹ́ẹ̀ á tún kó mọ̀ pò sínú mọ́tò. Wọ́n ti ń gba security fún mọ́tò ẹyin nísìn. Àwọn tó ń loko tó kọ́ ẹ̀dìyẹ sí wọ́n máa gba security síbẹ̀. Wọ́n ti ń wọlé lọ gbéyàn nísìn. And if you think kí ló tí wọ́n sọ̀rọ̀ nípa ẹ̀ kí ló tí wọ́n pa àwọn oúnjẹ kan pa àwọn kan ní oúnjẹ kí wọ́n fi oògùn poison sínú oúnjẹ táwọn màálù yẹn ń jẹ oko yẹn. My dear, bóyá ò tí ì gbọ́ nípa Mr. Sunday Jackson tí Fúlàní gún tó ṣá tó náà wá fẹ́ defend rẹ̀ tó wá bá Fúlàní jà tí Fúlàní kú with the evidences tí àwọn Nigeria judge judiciary Nigeria bó ṣe rírí lélẹ̀ ó ti bend wọ́n ní ayé lẹ́sẹ̀ mẹ́ta ó kásẹ̀ kan rọ̀ ó ń fi kan tiro tẹ́lẹ̀ngẹ́ ní Nàìjíríà kù lórí ẹsẹ̀ kan if ẹsẹ̀ kan yẹn gan bá ṣẹ̀ tí ń ṣiṣẹ́ ni wọ́n ní kán lọ pa torí pé ó defend rẹ̀ judge kan ló dá ẹjọ́ yẹn ní Nàìjíríà wọ́n ní wọ́n béèrè pé kí ló yẹ kó ṣe pàtí Fúlàní ń gun lọ́bẹ onígbà tó ti overpower yẹ kó gba ọ̀bẹ yẹn kó sá lọ ni bá dẹ̀ sá lọ tí ìbá ṣá ní àdá lórí tó pín orí ẹ̀ sí méjì and mo fẹ́ béèrè lọ́wọ́ ẹ̀ tẹ́ ń wò mí ṣọlá tí ń pa pé Fúlàní kẹran joko ìgbà ń ṣe gbá àwo ń ṣàwo please tell me Fúlàní tí wọ́n ti mú wípé ó kó ẹran jẹ oko tí wọ́n dẹ̀ prosecute just let me know please can someone please tell me in the comment section Fúlàní tí wọ́n ti mú tó ti kó ẹran jẹ oko wọ́n wá prosecute ó wà tó bá wà ẹ bá mi kọ sí comment section tí ò bá sí náà ẹ bá mi kọ sí comment section lórí question tó wá béèrè pé kí ni àwọn ìjọba ń ṣe simple question ni question tó kéré gan ni tó tẹ̀ ní ìdàtí dára ẹ láàmú púpọ̀ lórí ẹ̀ nǹkan tí àwọn ìjọba ń ṣe ni Tinubu ti wà lórí oyè Ṣèyí Tinubu ìyẹn ti ń lọ há oúnjẹ káàkiri ní nọ́ọ̀tì ráìsì sísè sínú láìlọ́ọ̀nù Ṣèyí Tinubu ló represent baba Tinubu APC. Now let's see what Atiku said, PDP. I deeply admire her boldness they play. Atiku commends Lagos copper who criticized Tinubu's government. I deeply admire her boldness. Atiku commends Lagos copper who criticized Tinubu's government. Former President Atiku Abubakar has commended the courage of Uze Ugwamaye. I'm sorry if I did not pronounce your name very well. A National Youth Service Corps NYSC member serving in Lagos who recently came under fire for criticizing President Bola Ahmed Tinubu's government over the state of the economy. Shagombugo. Atiku. Shagombugo. Tell us, how much is the future of next generation that is with you? Atiku, please kindly come out and tell us, how much did you embezzle that makes the economy to be worse like this? Because each one of you continues where the proud only stop. The Jagudas are taking over from the Oles. You can contact those people that speak good English, so they will translate it for you. Tell them, give this video to them. Eba mi share video ikoko Atiku. When you were there, Obasanjo came out boldly and said you stole owó tó lè bọ́ Nigeria for years. Tó lè bọ́ Nigerians for years. He said you sold this, you sold that, you sold eléyìí, you gbogbo nǹkan ló ti privatized tán. But because Nigeria is a dead country that is not existing any longer, that is why you have the audacity to contest again. Bunch of leaders that are supposed to be inside gbàgà. Tó yẹ kí wọ́n kó yín lọ sí àjàalẹ̀. You guys are there contesting, giving the youths peanuts of their future you stole. Tinubu said he will start where Buhari ended, where Buhari stopped, because go end there. I am very sure if Atiku should get there, he will also start from where Tinubu stopped. Even Obi, El-Rufai, because Nigeria kini o support yín. the way tẹ́ fi ń rule Nigeria ó support atrocity tẹ́ ń commit. And Nigeria is about when it eats you, you talk. And people will come under your comment section, under your video, criticizing you to stop, or else wọ́n á gbé ẹ. Olófún wèrè obìnrin tó wà lẹ́yìn tó ń sọ̀rọ̀ lórí fóònù yẹn. Ẹ bá wa gbé fídíò ẹ bá wa gbé fọ́tò ẹ̀ síta, fọ́tò gbogbo family ẹ̀ kájú sí títì. Internet streets kó wà ń bẹ̀. People should know the kind of person she is. Either fortunately or unfortunately, tabari nita. So people should be able to identify here. Pé aláìní làákàyè tó ń sọ̀rọ̀ ni. Kákọ̀sí àwọn olè apanilẹ́kúnjayé tó ń sọ̀rọ̀ ni. How dare you, madam? Because owó tó fi ń rán àwọn ọmọ tí ẹ lọ sí school, wọ́n fi ń ṣe aláwí, wọ́n fi ń ṣe gbogbo ẹ̀, olè. Lẹ́ ń jà, tẹ́ fi ń tọ́ àwọn ọmọ tí yín. Ẹ̀ ń jálé onílé fi ń bo tí yín lẹ́yìn ni. Tí wọ́n gan bá lọ opportunity àti di president Nigeria, Nigeria máa worst ju Tinubu lọ. Tinubu ó ti kan gimeti. Because Tinubu, I will not say much about Tinubu. Because he told us that he will start where Buhari stops. That's why you see me, I don't put much blame on Tinubu. When Buhari was coming, he said from top to bottom. From top to bottom. And he did it. He brought Nigeria from top to bottom. Boko Haram pààyàn kò sí nǹkan tó fẹ́ ṣẹlẹ̀. And Tinubu said he will stop. He will start where Buhari stopped. And he's already started. How much was dollar when Buhari was there? How much is dollar but Tinubu wà ńbẹ̀? How much is rice when Buhari was there? How much is bag of rice when Tinubu is there now? Now, watch this from LP. Nothing where Musa no go see for gates. Nothing where Musa no go see for gates. Obidini Abudu Muhammadu Obi Olenwo yen shameless people. The same tactics. Brainless leaders. Visionless leaders. Missionless leaders. Empty brain leaders. Imagine Obi sitting on the floor doing iftar with these children. And you cannot even tell people that want to come in, that want to video you, that they should stop. You're supposed to tell them to stop. You're supposed to hide behind camera, eating with those children. You are eating their future with them. The same Nigeria where we see past governors, past ministers, hawking agbado, eating boli on the streets. Someone who went to where a salon making hair for someone. This can only happen in Nigeria. Because you take every one of us for granted. You see us as mumu. They can say anything to bá wù yín pẹ̀lú ẹ̀. Obi, I know your children will have seen this. Did they ask you, Daddy, she wa okay, sha? Daddy, are you sure you are okay? She normal. Because eléyìí ò show pé o normal. So people will use this to identify you as a good person and vote for you. Bunch of weary leaders. APC, PDP, SDP, Labour Party, whatever party, you guys are empty-headed leaders. Ní ọpọlọ rárá. Imagine you want to campaign for them. Why not showing the free schools? Nǹkan tí mo believe pé kí n máa fi campaign yẹn, that ẹ wo school yìí o, èmi ni mo kọ́ o, free school ni o, for the past 10 years ni mo ti ń san salary àwọn òṣìṣẹ́ tó ń ṣiṣẹ́ ń bẹ̀ o, the children are going to school for free. In my ibo ti jẹ́ governor nígbà kan. Atiku should come out and tell us àwọn ibi tó ti kọ́ free health care sí before he contests for president. El-Rufai should come out, or whosoever that want to become the president of Nigeria, they should come out and show us nǹkan tí wọ́n ti ṣe fún poor masses, so that wọ́n are inexistent for the past 20 years. Free health care, free education, free school buses. Of kí ni nǹkan tí wọ́n ti ṣe? Àwọn wèrè wọ́n á ṣe bọ́ọ̀hù, wọ́n máa commission bọ́ọ̀hù. Ẹ fi 2 million ṣe bọ́ọ̀hù, ẹ fi 5 million pé press. Ẹ̀yà aláìlọ́pọlọ lórí. How many schools ní Lagos State ń bẹ̀ yẹn ní Tinubu kọ́ tó gbélé lọ́fẹ̀ẹ́ fún ọmọ tálíkà? These are the people that stood up against those that were ruling then. They were the youth of yesterday, and they are leading now. Future leaders. Táwọn past ọ̀gá sọ nígbà yẹn ó come to existence now. Tell me, if this youth, the present youth of today in Nigeria, if they can become future leaders without knowing anybody in Nigeria, those leaders that are leading us now, they were those that enjoy free education. They were those that enjoy free health care. They were those that enjoy scholarship. 75% of them were from wretched family, not even poor family, wretched family. But they were opportune to enjoy everything enjoyable in Nigeria. But today, they deny everybody. And to God be the glory. They are now replacing themselves with their children. Let one of them come out and tell us. Tí ó bá ní ọmọ, uncle, nephew, auntie, grandchildren, gbogbo orí burúkú wọn, family members. If they don't have it, nílé ìgbìmọ̀ aṣòfin, they should come out and tell us képe tó bá ti ń jẹ́. Nonsense. Yorùbáwùyí lórúkọ mi. N tẹ́ bá rí sọ̀rọ̀ tí mo sọ yìí, ẹ bá mi kọ sí comment section. Gbogbo wa la máa jẹ breakfast time tó ní kálukú máa jẹ láàmú. If you are coming across this page for the first time, Yorubawuyi lórúkọ mi. Yorubawuyi lèmi ń jẹ́. I am the one and only Akalolo of Yoruba land. Adáwọnlẹ̀ Yorùbá. Ọmọ ìjọmọ lọ Yorùbá tí ó pé méjì. Abẹni ọmọ òṣèré pààrọ̀. Tó máa pààrọ̀ tí wọ́n máa déwájú federal government. Tó bá sign ẹ̀ tó wọ́n lórí ibú ni gbogbo wọn. Ẹ wá gbà wá náà àbíkẹ́ ẹ máa pè wọ́n ẹ máa threatening wà náà ẹ̀ṣẹ̀ máa threatening. Ẹ déwájú Elédùmarè yóò kí ń rọ́lọ́ lọ́fẹ̀ẹ́. Ẹ lè kú bí 99 times yes. Ní síwájú yín lọ lẹ́yìn ò ní síwájú. Ẹ bá gbọ́dọ̀ káwọn ọmọ yín síwájú yín lọ lóko. Ẹ̀yin ẹran kó játijàti. See you on my next show. You can follow me for more. We will speak up. Mélòó lẹ fẹ́ pa? We will speak up. I have spoken. Ẹ̀yin náà sọ̀rọ̀ sí comment section. Ẹ̀yin náà turn ring light. Ẹ̀yin náà ṣe show 2 minutes, 3 minutes. Bọ́kàlà máa jókòó 20 minutes, 30 minutes. See you on my next show. Thank you. Bye.